Hello, this is Shapeless at the Bay Area Underground.
I'm a visual artist and a musician. Been in the laboratory for over 30 years. A single dad.
I'm an old Gandalf now, so...
Here's a little bit of a ride through one of my studios. And if you're into this stuff or think you might want to get into it eventually, this will be some cool insight and show you some of the ropes or what goes into being a producer or a recording artist. So if you're very observant and you read the text that I just put into the laboratory, these are sample kits that I built myself. Most of the sounds come out of a sound library from this program, but the sample kits allow you to import your own sounds that you could get from being at the gas station, hanging out with friends, out on an adventure, on a hike, at a grocery store, in a gunfight, in a sword fight, in a plastic spork fight, whatever. So I have hundreds of these custom sample kits that I built because it's just something I can always fall back on. That is my stuff, how I wanted it to be. And as any producer with a bit of experience knows, you can spend all day long looking for a snare drum sound. There are just thousands and thousands of different sounds in every category, and you can go out and create samples yourself and add to the libraries or build completely fresh on your own. So it's just a gigantic world of audio and possibilities. Pretty cool. I like that one, heavy snare. I've got a few kick drums to choose from, and I'm gonna figure out a drum pattern.
I always have loved atmospheric sounds that add depth and environment to a song. So here's a little organ sample I'm working with. I'm going to lay some drums and bass over that.
This program has a default tempo of 120. It's 120 BPMs. BPMs means beats per minute. Human heartbeat is about 80 BPMs, a healthy heartbeat. Most hip-hop songs are around 80 to 90 BPMs.
So now I've got a hi-hat loop set up to run automatically for 4 bars and then repeat. And here I'm doing some live finger drumming for the kick drum and the snares. Just checking out this kit that I haven't used in a bit and messing around with some rhythms. Check it out.
And I'll have you know I am a proud finger drummer, and I can play the real drums.
And there is a bit of a mistake that's kind of out of my control. I'm not going to go back and sync it up, but the audio and the visual are out of sync. If anyone noticed, then you are an astute observer. Great job. I got an idea of direction I'm going to go in. I'm going to add a synth bass.
Deep, heavy synth bass.
It's gonna be sick.
No innuendo intended at all, but it sounds like it, doesn't it? Okay.
I'm gonna fast forward through the process of making this bass line, as it's long and kind of tedious, you could say, if you're being an impatient hater, but
If you love this, you can spend hours and hours and hours, months and days and years sitting in the lab, surrounded by all these tools, just building. Just like an architect or an engineer doing blueprints all the way to a finished building. Building. You learn all the tools and tricks and you build and see what you can do. Learn foundations from different styles and take it for yourself and branch off. Do something new. That's what I love about this. I want to hear something new. Or hear something influenced by something else that inspired me. So that's some insight, and show you where the bass line is headed in a second.
As I'm getting the bass line into place, I'm situating the kick drums and snares that I'm going to lock into here for a final beat that might kick some flows over someday.
yeah, that's where it's at the moment.
Got a little something, it's getting there.
This is the final instrumental break. Now I'm gonna do the final mix and see what that's gonna happen to be. Backflip, landing with a fully cooked cake in the palm of my hands, and glad we got that clear. kind of keep this producer, engineer type of video and not shove too much of myself into a video. It's more about how to build a song, you know, about the music.
So that's a 20-minute session for a okay beat. I'm not in love with it, but it's alright. And that's how it works. That's a little bit of insight into the laboratory. Hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making this. Thanks for watching. Bye.